Welcome to Cambridge Car Audio and CBS Automotive. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. If you haven't seen our channel before, haven't seen what we do, hit that subscribe button below and it will keep you up to date with all of our latest videos. Today's video I'm going to be showing you the upgrade that we carried out on this absolutely gorgeous Ferrari 812 Superfast. What we've added into this vehicle is a speed camera detector. This is all been professionally installed in workshop environments in Cambridge, so there's loads of space around every single vehicle that we have in, as well as the fact that the due care and attention that is taken on every single one of our vehicles, whether it's a supercar or a standard hatchback. Due care and attention is taken on every single vehicle. So in terms of this solution, what we've got is the Road Angel Pure that's completely hardwired into the Ferrari system. As soon as you turn on your ignition, you are then protected. So it's got speed camera detection on the Pure, it's got live updates as well as it comes with an app that you can control the whole system from. We'll drop on the links below for the actual product, but we just wanted to show you the system that we've installed, how it looks on the Ferrari 812 Superfast. So if you own one of these, looking for a speed camera detector, you know where to come. We're based in Cambridge. We'll drop all our links below, but the best thing you guys can do to give you more ideas on how you can upgrade your vehicle is by hitting that subscribe button below. But thank you very much for watching and we look forward to seeing you soon.